Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something. So these guys, okay, it's from Samyang, South Korean company, right? They make the ultra spicy bulldog bokamyeon line. And what's interesting about this one is that they sent me tons of stuff. They've never sent me this. So I'm very curious. This is Tsuyu, like Tsuyu, soy sauce. Forever. Cook it for 5 minutes and 550 milliliters of water. That's cool. Woke up late, so no pictures of the goo in the little cups today on the post. You know, honestly, the amount of time that it would save me, I'm gonna start the timer, to just skip taking the pictures of the contents of the sachets over like a year would be insane. Absolutely insane. That would probably save me a good 60, 80 hours a year. Yeah, I'm really pondering. That's a big change. That's pulling back. But that would give me 60 to 80 hours. I mean, I might even be more, honestly. I think I probably spend about 35 minutes a day just on the photographing of the... Because I do this part. This is no problem. This is easy to take a picture of and crop. But opening it up, pouring it in a little bowl, setting the bowl, taking the picture, cropping that too. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's about, when it comes all down to it, on average about 5 minutes per image. So there's 10 minutes right there. And the other one that I'm doing today, I think there was a couple in that. So there's like 20 minutes today. 20 minutes I could have used this morning. Oh my god. But yeah, if I do 5 days a week, that's 100 minutes a week. Yeah, that's a lot more than 68. Yeah, so I think it sucks too, because I don't like to take away content. But in this case, it might just be the logical thing to do. Because I really like getting 3 reviews done a day. This part of the day, it doesn't affect. Because today, this part of the day is really separate. What I do like about it too is I don't have to like use little things scraping the cup, like, because this is a liquid. I don't have to deal with that. I just like crack it open, squish it, and it's in. But yeah, anyways, went to the store this morning, walked 5 miles with my daughter, and of course she needed a cookie, I needed some soup, she needed some dehydrated strawberries for lunch. More Safeway Monopoly tickets. So what we got left? 2.5 minutes. Blabbing about photographing sachets. Now we have 2.5 minutes together. Nothing. Now the ones that I go, basically you can install an app and scan the code on it and do, maybe you win something. Get enough, you get a code for some kind of digital redemption thing. And then there's also these 4 things. You have the game board and you paste these on it. I don't know. I think the chances of winning that... The chances of winning, I don't think take into account the fact that people like me that don't... Instant winner! Canned fruit. How big a can? 14.5 to 15.25 can. Signature Kitchens. Signature Select canned fruit. Assorted varieties. That I'll keep, because that might end up being a nice big can of canned pineapple. And canned pineapple, I think it's kind of expensive, isn't it? Am I wrong? I don't know. I think you end up paying a little bit for canned pineapple, and I do like it. Instant winner, donut or bagel. I love donuts. I actually have a little day tracker thing that, because we used to eat a lot of donuts. And there's a joint not too far from here that has just like the best donuts ever. Family Donut on 196th in the Linwood, Edmonds area. Wonderful stuff, nice people, and deadly food. 50 cents off Bigelow tea bags. Remember, I worked at this job once, and there was a girl that worked there for a short amount of time, and it was like some of the people that had been working there for a long time started not liking her. And I was just like, why? I think it was because she was good at her job. And I think we're out of time. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, so I'm playing, like I said, I'm playing with this idea of skipping the little cups, which is kind of like, honestly, between you and me, I don't think I will be skipping it. I don't like to skip anything. So. I need scissors. There they are. Alright, so we have a flake. I'll throw the flakies in there first. This one I'll just pull. Here's... all this time, I could have just used one of those little cups and dumped it in. And easily shown you what I was dumping in. Maybe all those hours are worth something. Maybe not. I don't know. Can you see that? There they go. Whee! Let's pan down. And then we got this liquid. Remember, always need your sachets. If you want stuff to come out nicely, you gotta knead it. So this is weird. So this is a soy sauce udon. This is like very, very Japanesey. Tsuyu soy sauce udon. It smells like bacon. Wow. I'm like serious. It reeks of like bacon. Very strong pork scent. Yummy, I will say. That's freaking good. Wow. How could they hold out on me with stuff like this? This is good. Impressed. Let's see what we got here. I need to tilt up a little bit. There we go. So, oh, it's got like a little tiny bit of heat to it too. This is fascinating, folks. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. This is like Smells and tastes really good, which usually means I want to eat it all, and I think I really do want to eat it all, but I won't. Pork. I really am not too pleased about the way they cut this. I know most people aren't using this for garnish, but honestly, I think the way they cut this was just like ridiculous. Probably the only thing they could do with the kind of piece they had on hand or whatnot, but I'm really not happy with the way that they cut it, okay? And I'm gonna add some, what you got here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of this habanero stuff because honestly, the next one I'm doing, that just wouldn't be right. Alright, well, let's check this out as Rotato weaves its sexy magic. Here we go. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.